Hey yo girlies, this is day 13 out of 100 as a Jugaad content creator looking for brand collaboration PO packages in 100 days. So let's see how many brand collaboration will I get in these 100 days. For this day, I am going to get ready for GIRLSET CHAT dance cover. So in this video, I'm going to style my jeans top to look like a skirt and a top. Let's see how I'm going to juggle that outfit today. And I'm going to turn it as a top and a skirt without even cutting it. So let's see how I'm going to do that. I'm going to wear this top, kind of this, and they have given this also, what we say, a belt buckle. It's a ready-made velvet blouse. It's my mom's. Okay, and for this portion, let's put a belt. Right? Now from back it looks like this. And for boot, I'm going to wear a black one because it's black, right? Looks like this. So it's a collar like this. So I'm going to pin it like this for to look bossy. And now it's a bossy and even a baddie look, right? For that I'm going to wear a pony. Guys, I didn't do this on purpose, but it took my look, but okay. For front, I'm going to take this. I recombed it. Change our makeup, right? Look at my hands. So let's see the final look. Okay. So this is for day 13. Let's see in the day 14. Let's see how many jugaad will I make. Okay. Till then, keep going and let's see. Thank you for everyone for supporting my jugaad challenge and previous video. It got many reach and I am so grateful for that. And even guys, I don't want to show more of my skin, so I have leggings and kind of thing, so that's how I am. Thank you.